I think इतने साल जो आरसीबी ने वेट किया, they deserve to win back-to-back title.
When you go out to bat, it's actually the entire country that's going out to bat.
That's it. He finishes off in style with a six. It's back-to-back titles for RCB.
I've played a couple of finals before, but this felt totally different. It felt as if the entire country is playing with us. You know, I saw on social media people praying for us, people doing aartis and whatnot for RCB.
Oh, straight up. Keeper is running for it. It's a little distant, but he'll get there.
I think इतने साल जो आरसीबी ने वेट किया, they deserve to win back-to-back title. और I think क्रेडिट जाता है सबको. 2 साल से जिस तरह से टीम परफॉर्म कर रही है, I think किसी एक भी प्लेयर पे डिपेंडेंट नहीं है. It's not easy task to go win back-to-back, but I think it was a great job by everyone.
It should not come across as a shock that we made the finals or we won, because the way we played our cricket, the way we played this season, I think we're deserving champions. But yeah, congratulations to GT as well for an amazing campaign. 2 best teams played it out in the final, and for us it was our day, and it's something that I'll be cherishing for a very long time.
And this is even better. Full face of the blade. He's in pain, but he's scoring runs. 2 boundaries and a 6.
I think this season, the way Rajat has carried himself with the bat and as a leader, I think he's been a standout performer for us. But my vote for player of the season for RCB has to go to Bhuvneshwar Kumar. No, he shows us that vintage is always special. Keeps things very basic, but so effective. It was such a pleasure to watch him in his full flow.
Oh, straight up. Hazelwood's called for it. Hazelwood will take it. Bhuvi gets another wicket and goes up to 28 wickets.
इंडिविजुअली बहुत अच्छा सीजन गया है. काफी सारी चीजें जो अच्छी हुई हैं, एग्जीक्यूशन अच्छा हुआ है, थॉट प्रोसेस के बाद जो एग्जीक्यूशन था, आई थिंक वो काम किया है. तो आई थिंक इट वाज अ गुड सीजन फॉर मी फॉर श्योर.
Oh,
200 for Bhuvneshwar Kumar in the IPL.
ट्रॉफी जीतना उससे बड़ा हाईलाइट कुछ नहीं है, जिसके लिए हम 2-3 महीने मेहनत करते हैं. सब टीमें करती हैं, ऐसा नहीं करते, बट to end up with the trophy, I think it takes a lot. So yeah, we have done that.
I would like to thank God for this day, for allowing me the opportunity to represent this team and bring glory to it.